So here a ball is thrown horizontally from a height with a certain initial velocity at time t equal to the ball bounces repeatedly from ground with coefficient of restitution something less than 1. So you have to draw its Vy with respect to time. Now in this problem the direction of y-axis is not mentioned. Whether y-axis is upward or downward, that's not mentioned. So as per the options available here, I guess it should be upwards. So that means now let us draw this Vy with respect to time. Now time 0, there time t equal to 0 is a time when the ball starts from here. So there Vy is equal to 0, and now Vy, as y-axis is upward, so it decreases up to this point. So suppose this height is h, now up to this point Vy, I mean the magnitude of Vy is root over 2gh. There it is. So this is root over of 2gh. Okay, now just after hitting the ground, the ball bounces up, so its velocity becomes e into root 2gh, but that should be with plus sign. There. So this e root 2gh, e times root over 2gh, because see, first collision with ground, the ball drops, ball hits ground with a velocity root 2gh and goes up with a velocity e times root 2gh. Now remember this in this graph, this theta, right? Theta, tan theta is equal to g. This tan theta is equal to g. G is the acceleration due to gravity. Okay, g is downward, so that's why we have taken this angle theta with negative direction of t-axis. However, so obviously this tan theta or this theta won't change. So e into root 2gh, again it will go like this, right? Because it's so it goes up, right? Goes up and down, then comes down. So now this theta remains same. It still the same acceleration g. Now this is root 2gh, that's e into root 2gh, and now after that now this velocity is again e square root 2gh. So every time it bounces up, the velocity gets multiplied by e, so it carries on like this. So next is e cube root 2gh, next is e to the power 4 root 2gh. So the closest graph which resembles that is b. So in b actually this angle is same, theta, else the c is not right because the slopes are not equal.